Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, July the 9th, 2020. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus, a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. And first we will solve the 1 star Sudoku. And before I start, I now always count the printed numbers. So we have a sum of indication of the difficulty level. And the 1 star has always 27 printed numbers, digits. So let me count. 1, this will be plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 23, plus 4, 27 printed digits or numbers. So let's get started. Alright, which number shall I use? Which number? We have an 8 in this column, and 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. Then it will be difficult with the 8 because I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? In this middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, the 3 is no 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there and the 9 goes there. Yes. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this big square is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there and 8 goes there. Then how about the number? We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 numbers left in this column. The 2 is missing. The 5 is missing. 2, 5, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2, 5, 9. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2, 5, 9. How about these 3? 2 is missing. The 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. We have a 5 here and a 9 there. So this number is reserved for the 2. 2 is left. The only number left, the 2. 5 and a 9. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then how about this big square for the number 3? 5 missing numbers. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. How about the 1? 1 is missing in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. We have 7, 4, and 6. Yes. So 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. That means 2 numbers left in the last column. Should be the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5 are missing here. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 numbers missing in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes are missing in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. These 2 numbers, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and 6, yes. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers missing in this big square. The 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 5 in this row, column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, let me see, and now, 1, 9, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I need to find a way. How? Yes, we have a pair. I see here the 8 in this row and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. Together, the same with story with the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. So we have an 8 and the 1 here. 8 and the 1 as a pair. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. And now. And now I need to find up here again. 8 and 1. Yes. In this column, the second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, or there in the second column. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, so I cannot place a 1 there. So the 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yes. Now I can fill this number in this row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Alright, 9 is missing. Let me see. Can I do something with the 9? No, 9. I need to wait again. With pairs. So we have here 8 and 1, 8 and 1. What are these pairs in the row above? The 4 and the 4 and the 2. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those for you. Yes, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4 pairs. Here also the 8 and the 1, 8 and the 1 pairs. These two, 9 and the 3 are missing. 9 and 3. So 3 pairs in this big square. How about these two numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Alright, so how about these 3 numbers? The 2 is missing, 8 is missing, and the 2, 8 and the 6 is missing. Yes. 7, 4, 6. Yes, 7, 4, 6. Alright. So the 9 goes here. 1 goes there. Yes, we have a pair 1. How about the 2, 2, 2? Here could be everywhere the 2. Here the 9. The 8 goes there also. Let me see the 8, 8, 8, 8. Here could be the 8. There could be the 8. Well. Not so easy, the final step, because it's taking too long. I need to have pairs here, but I think I know something. In the first column, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. So the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. One number, okay. So now and that's 8, 1, 2, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. And look, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers now in the first column. The 8, the 1, and a 2. Look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 8 and 1 are left, 8 and 1 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now, 1 number left in the last row for the number 1. Then, 2 numbers left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 6 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. 6 and 7. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only place for the 4 should be there. 6 and 7 are missing in this big square. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 6, I believe. Yes. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the third column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 8. Here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be either 4, and this should be the 2. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Difficult one, the last part. Anyway, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.